What is it costing you to not answer the incoming callers right away? Here's the sad part: you are spending on advertising. When someone is interested and is calling, there is no immediate response and they lose faith in you and go elsewhere. How long does it take you to respond to a call? What if you were really, really good and responded within 1 minute? You will experience the luxury of nearly 391% higher conversion. For times as much as you do now. Velocify survey. If you are late by just 1 minute, the improvement in conversion drops by more than half of that to just 160%. What if you could fix this? Have calls answered immediately. Gain back the 160% you are now losing. Have appointments automatically booked. Have sales questions answered accurately based on what you provide. And even make sales for you, as you will see on our videos and listen to the audio encoding on our site. You want to capture as much new business as you can before your competition gets wind of this. So get started today for as little as $497 a month plus a reasonable one-time setup fee now. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Oscar signing off at callstobook.com.